Technology can turn out to be a boon or a bane. This is a debatable topic going on through generations. 3D printing has come amidst it. When we talked about nuclear energy, we focused that nuclear energy could be used as a productive way or could be used with atomization or atom bombs being created. And similarly, it comes with 3D printing technology, where on one end we say it can be used for medical implants, on the other end we say it can be used for weaponization. So let's understand what is a 3D printing technology, and then we'll focus on the advantages and disadvantages. 3D printing technology is an additive technology or additive manufacturing where layer by layer structure is processed using computer created design. So as you can see in the graphic, the design is created by the computer, and then layer by layer the material is brought, and finally the structure of the robot is ready. So this 3D printing technology is additive manufacturing, in contrast to a subtractive manufacturing where the wastage is more. Here relatively the wastage is less. There are three common methods which are used. If we focus onto the history, it was first in the Nagoya campus that this technology was initially brought. And if we talk about the processes, there are three important processes. The first is sintering, where the temperature of the material is brought to its melting, not to its melting point, but yes, the substance is melted, and finally the printing material is created. The next process is what is known as melting. Here there can be direct energy deposition, there can be fusion of material, or electronic beam which can be used to print a 3D object. And the last one is stereolithography. Stereolithography is a concept where light rays are used to solidify the object. Through interaction of light waves, there is solidification of an object in a certain way. Now talking about advantage, this is definitely a bespoke technology. I can create one unique transplant product, implant that is required for medical purpose. So the idea is it is a uniquely designed product that can be created, customizable as per your need. So let's say if you have a patient A with the dimensions of the heart so and so, patient B with the dimensions of the heart so and so, accordingly you can have the structure that can be designed under a 3D printing technology. The strength of the material can vary. There can be various complex geometries which can be involved in creation of 3D printing. So those are some of the advantages. And in a small scale, I can have a rapid prototype. That means if I create one piece, I can have similar many other pieces that can be created. So those are definitely some of the untold advantages, but extremely important advantages, specifically when we talk about medical applications. It's highly useful. But on the other hand comes the disadvantage. One of the major disadvantage is in terms of sometimes you have to have just one product, but the cost of creating that product is extremely high. So it's not cost efficient in some way. There is limitations in accuracy that can happen, and that can be one of the reasons for its failure. Sometimes the post processing requirement of the product that is created is higher and not up to the mark. So those are again important limitations. But besides all these, there is a one very important limitation, and that is the ever growing threat of this technology. Now when I say threat of this technology, what do we indicate towards? We indicate towards weaponization because of 3D printing technology. Now when I say weaponization because of 3D printing technology, the machines could be compromised, the machine parts could be compromised, and these could be used to manufacture weapons which are actually licensed in most of the regions and cannot be procured elsewhere. So if through 3D printing technology, this has become one of the major threats. It has been a big question in terms of nuclear, biological, chemical, and even cyber damages. So those were some of the topics of advantages and disadvantages that we have discussed with 3D printing technology. A very extremely important topic, upcoming technology that we need to know about. And as we mentioned, with all technologies, there is the boon and the bane which is associated, and that's what we have discussed for 3D printing today. For more details and information, follow the links below. Thank you.